Welcome to our Geneva travel guide. Geneva, Switzerland's second largest city, is a beautiful blend of stunning nature and vibrant culture. Located on the shores of Lake Geneva and surrounded by the Alps and Jura hills, this city is a true gem. Known as the City of Peace, Geneva is home to the United Nations and boasts landmarks like the iconic JetteDome fountain and the famous flower clock. In this video, we'll explore the best places to visit in Geneva, from breathtaking natural sights to cultural treasures. Let's dive in and discover what makes Geneva a must-visit destination. Number 1. Oldtown. Oldtown, on the left bank of Lake Geneva, is the city's historic center. Just a 10-minute walk from the Geneva train station, it's a favorite spot for tourists. The area is known for its cobblestone streets, old buildings, and landmarks like St. Peter's Cathedral. Visitors love climbing the cathedral towers for stunning views and exploring the medieval charm of the town. Oldtown is filled with art galleries, antique shops, and cozy cafes, making it a lovely place to wander. You'll find hidden courtyards and historic sites that tell stories of Geneva's past. The area also hosts events like the Fête de l'Escalade, celebrating local traditions and history. 2. St. Pierre Cathedral. St. Pierre Cathedral is a famous historical site in Geneva's Old Town, just a 10-minute walk from the city center. It has a mix of Gothic and Romanesque styles, with beautiful stained glass windows and a remarkable pipe organ. You can also climb the towers for stunning panoramic views, though there is a small fee for this and the nearby archaeological site. The Museum of the Reformation, part of the cathedral complex, shares the history of Protestantism in Geneva. Around the cathedral, you'll find charming cobblestone streets and unique shops, perfect for a peaceful walk. With its rich history and striking architecture, St. Pierre Cathedral is a must-see in Geneva. 3. Palais des Nations. The Palais des Nations, also called the Palace of Nations, is home to the United Nations office in Geneva. Surrounded by stunning snow-capped mountains, the modern building is covered in heat-resistant gray titanium. It sits on 46 hectares of beautiful gardens, with century-old trees and colorful peacocks adding charm. Boasting around 1 lakh tourists annually, it is the second largest UN office and features impressive rooms like the Human Rights Room with art by Michel Barthelot and the Assembly Hall, the largest room. Visitors can also explore the council chamber with murals by José Millasset and see gifts and artifacts from various countries, making it a must-visit in Switzerland. 4. Lake Geneva, one of the largest lakes in Western Europe, is shared by Switzerland and France. Located on the north side of the Alps, it is a popular tourist spot known for its stunning natural beauty. Shaped like a crescent moon, the lake offers diverse landscapes. On the eastern side, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the Alps, while the northern side features vine-covered hills, charming villages, and castles. The lake is home to wildlife like the common buzzard and red kite. Covering 7,975 square kilometers, Lake Geneva is perfect for water sports like sailing, windsurfing, rowing, and scuba diving. Popular events include swimming and yacht racing, where high-performance catamarans compete. 5. The JetteDome, built in 1886, is a famous landmark in Geneva, Switzerland. This 140-meter, 459-foot fountain, located in Lake Geneva, was created to control water pressure and has become a symbol of the city. You can see it from many spots, including bus tours, Lake Geneva cruises, and Segway tours. It's also a highlight in private and small group city tours, as well as tours from nearby cities like Chamonix and Annecy. The fountain is near Geneva's promenades and visible from most of the city. Popular viewing spots include the English Garden and Pont du Mont Blanc, which connects easily to Old Town and central areas. Adding the JetteDome to your Switzerland tour will make for a memorable trip. 6. Flower Clock. Home to over 6,500 flowers and plants, the Flower Clock features the world's longest second hand, which measures 2.5 meters in length. Built in 1955, this giant clock is redecorated multiple times a year to represent each season. This scientific marvel is surrounded by floral beauty and lush greenery. Besides being one of the most famous places to visit in Geneva, the clock also commemorates Switzerland's premium watch industry. A visit to this clock is like traveling to another time altogether. Include this iconic clock in your Switzerland package to witness the seamless blend of natural beauty and horological excellence, making your Swiss journey truly timeless and enchanting. 7. The Reformation Wall, facing the famous Parc des Bastions, is a historic monument in Geneva. Built between 1909 and 1917, it honors key figures and events of the Protestant Reformation. This monument is an important symbol of Geneva's religious history. Visitors who include it in their Switzerland tour can admire impressive statues and bas-reliefs that tell the story of the Reformation. It offers a deep look into the city's cultural heritage and is a must-see for anyone interested in learning about Geneva's role in shaping religious history. 8. Broken Chair Sculpture. The Broken Chair sculpture in Geneva is a powerful symbol of peace and the fight against landmines. Standing 12 meters tall, the sculpture is made of wood and depicts a giant wooden chair with one leg broken off, symbolizing the devastating effects of landmines on communities and the importance of demining efforts. It stands outside the Palace of Nations and serves as a reminder of the United Nations' work in promoting human rights and peace around the world. The Broken Chair is a striking and thought-provoking artwork that draws attention to global humanitarian issues. 9. The Lavo Vineyards, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are located along the northern shores of Lake Geneva in Switzerland. Spanning over 30 kilometers, these terraced vineyards are renowned for their breathtaking views of the lake and the Swiss Alps. The region is famous for producing high-quality wines, particularly Chasselas. Visitors can explore the vineyards via scenic hiking trails, wine tasting tours, and charming villages like Chexbres and Lucerne. Lavo's unique landscape, with its steep, sun-soaked slopes, has made it a popular destination for nature lovers and wine enthusiasts alike. 10. Giant Chessboards. The giant chessboards in Geneva are located in Parc des Bastions, a beautiful park in the city's center. These large outdoor chessboards allow visitors to play chess using oversized pieces, offering a fun and interactive experience. The boards are a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, and they add a unique charm to the park. In addition to chess, the park features lovely walking paths, the Reformation Wall, and plenty of green space for relaxation. It's a great place to enjoy a game, relax, or take in the historical surroundings of the Old Town.